Hey guys! So we are back. Ano kami ngayon, road trip ngayon. Yeah, we are going sa Galena, Illinois. So from Naperville, Illinois papunta dun sa Galena is 2 hours and 30 minutes drive. So excited kami kasi first time namin din na makakapunta dun. So later. See you there. Bye. Yan, dito na kami sa Galena. Ano siya, para siyang old town. Classic, very classic town. So muna kami dito, kakain muna kami, brunch. So tara. Watch your step. 1, 2, ooh. So dito kami kakain sa Autos. Nakakatawa yung old town. Sure. Come on. Pasok tayo. Let's go. Ayan, dito na yung food. Mukhang masarap yung food. In-order ko burrito, si mama, parang salmon lox. Siyempre mga kids, fruits and pancakes. Ayan, hi. Maganda dito, itong building is more than 100 years. No? Not more than 100 years. 1899 built. Makita mo yung mga photos doon, kung ano yung tsura noon. So nakakatuwa kasi talaga historical place yung kinainan namin. So yun, lamang muna kami. Bye. Ayan, so tapos na kami kumain. Good food. Kuha kami ng map dito sa visitor center. Oh, that's cool. Oh, thank you.
To the grown-ups, you see.
All right. Oh, wow. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Wow. Nice. Yay. Thank you.
Have a great day.
Thank you. You too. It's all mine.
What is it? What is it?
I think candies. Yay. Bigyan kami ng candy. Friendly people. Ganda ka maglakad-lakad dito.
I guess, and they can be here somewhere.
Parang nasa dito na sa mga 1800s kasi yung mga
Look at the shop, Poopsies.
yung mga buildings nila dito
So,
yung talagang luma na. Yan, dito na kami sa Chestnut Mountain Resort. Ito yung place. So check out natin. Magbaba muna kami ng mga gamit tapos pasok tayo sa loob. Yeah. Oh yeah, pasok muna tayo dun sa loob. So pasok muna kami dito sa sabi ng mga bata, creepy daw, creepy. Yeah. Shishi, go inside. Ayan, dito tayo, 229. Oh, medyo maluwag din ah. Okay, baby, go. Oh. Lalo yun. So, this is our room. Maluwag din ah. Hi. So, ito yung room namin. Okay man, cozy. So, ito yung view sa labas. Wow, ang ganda ng view. Ang ganda ng view.
Excuse me, Papa.
Ay, yung zipline, no?
Yan yung eagle.
Ano?
Yun yung eagle. Yun yung chair deck. Oh my God, ayoko nakakatakot.
Yung zipline, no?
Parang nakakatakot yun.
Ayun
Kayo
yung
dalawa
zipline,
lang
no?
ni Papa Yanachi.
Ah, ganda na. Oh my gosh.
Please be safe.
That's exciting.
It's
Hi guys, so muna kami. Mag-ayos muna kami at excited na itong mga bata. Ganda yun sa labas, oh.
Oh, but guess what?
Nandito yung mga activities sa loob lang din ng resort. Ayun o, ito may pwede kang mag-mine. Ang gulo nila. Ayan, ang ganda ng view dito. It's nice. So doon kami, yung room namin doon. Tapos nandito yung zipline. Dito yung, sasakay doon dito sa mountain. So una is alpine slide. Mag-slide kami pababa sa mountain. Ito yung gagamitin. So ito yung mga sled na gamitin. Yay! Almost our turn. Mauna si Mama and Kai. And then Achi, Shing, and me. Alright. Go!
Very safe.
Yay! Saya! Yay! Ganda ng view. Hey, Achi! Where's Achi? Pupukin lang si Achi. Na. Ito na sila mama sa baba. Let's go! Yeah! Yay! Hi guys! Yeah! Nice! Hi Shi! Dito, hi ka dito, hi!
Hi. Hi, Mama.
Taas namin, oh. Woo! Ang ganda. Kasama ko to si Shing. Yeah. Yes. Hi, Shing. Ganda. Saya. Andun sila mama sa harap. Takot na sa Achi, dito na kami sa susunod. O yung may zipline, doon kami pupunta. Ang taas! Are you excited, Achi?
No.
Yeah! Let's go!
Actually, I'm kind of.
Let's go! Masaya, masaya. Dito kami sa Soaring Eagle.
What's this freaking out?
Let me see your height first, just to make sure. Oh, you're high now. You got taller. Good. Oh boy. Oh my gosh! It's scary. Oh my gosh.
The red one's over the lap, and then this yellow one's over the shoulder, and then
Oh, okay.
under this arm.
Oh my goodness. Here we go, my love. Scary. It's scary.
Those feel good on you, sir?
Yeah.
You want the
Yeah.
yellow one a little tighter, or either one a
I
little
think
tighter?
it's good.
Alright.
Hopefully it won't fall. Hachi. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Those feel good on you? Alright.
You sure? Okay.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Yep. Oh my goodness.
Yay.
Oh my goodness.
Alright, here we go.
Woo! Oh! Yeah! Hachi. Woo! Wow! Grabe! Ang taas! Oh! Don't look down, baby! Oh, grabe, ang taas. Ang taas na. Ang taas na.
Oh my God.
Oh boy. Oh boy, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Oh my God. Woo! Woo! Yay! Oh! Whoa! Woo! That was fun? Yeah! That was super cool. Alright! Yeah! Yan, dito kami ngayon sa downtown ng Galina. Ganda ng feels talaga dito eh. Parang nasa different timeline. Ang ganda kasi yung mga buildings, yung alam mong luma, made by
And
bricks.
haunted.
By bricks pa siya. Pero yung nga sabi nila, medyo haunted daw. So, yun na maglalakad kami doon, kakain kami sa saan tayo kakain, Achi?
We're going to the Little Tokyo restaurant.
Yeah, kain kami ng ramen. So, ayun. Later. Yan, lakad-lakad lang tayo. Down. Ganda ng ano. Old Town. Ganda ng feels. Cozy. So, dito kami kakain sa Little Tokyo. Ayan.
Galena's very old.
1895 pa na itong building, oh. Let's go. Pasok. Yeah.
Comes with tempura.
Yay! Dito na yung food namin. Ang laki ng serving, oh. Solid. Wow!
Ask first. Do you have spoon?
So, in order ko is chicken hibachi.
Thank
Si
Teriyaki.
Kim is teriyaki chicken. Tapos, yung para sa kids is, ano to, orange chicken?
Asian chicken.
Asian chicken-ish. And then, yung udon yachi.
Doctor, you need to finish that one.
Damo na tayo.
It's taking so long.
Yan, dito kami sa labas ng Little Tokyo. At kagigising lang ni Shing, di siya kumain. So, hinintay namin si Kim. Ayan, ina-appreciate lang namin yung yung scenery dito. Ngayon, nakakatuwa kasi mga lumang buildings. Ganda lang, para ka nasa different timeline. Kasi yung mga bahay, mga bricks, ganyan. Parang very small town lang. Ganda. Parang Smallville feels. Ayun na si mama. Hi. Ayan, so after nito, balik na rin kami sa sa hotel. Lakad-lakad kasi sobrang busog.
Taking away.
Bye.
Taking us away.
Ganda, oh. Lakad-lakad lang.
Ew, look over there.
Ganda yung mga yung parang yung mga old yun na yung mga old store sa mga sa mga movies.
And with the plug and the plug and
Parang antique yung mga
look at that.
Ayun, oh.
In the pink
Mga lumang cigars and mga alak. Ayun. Yeah. Burger joint. Ganda. Daming bar and mga brew pub. Madami ding yung coffee. Diyan, okay dyan. Coffee shop dami din. Ito yung sura dito. Ang ganda.
I'm going back to the hotel now.
Dali lang laba.
I love your game well.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, babies.
Yay.
So, yeah. So, birthday ko ngayon, today. And this is our second day dito sa Galena. And ngayon punta kami sa Thunder Bay Falls. So, from sa Chestnut Mountain Resort, 22 minutes drive, 13 miles. So, after that, rin kami city tour. Parang sasakay sa bus tour. Kasi nga nakakatuwa yung town talaga. Kasi para ka na sa ibang ito na sabi na sa different timeline, nasa 1800s or early 1900s. So ayun, kita tayo sa falls. Excited kami. Later. Hey guys, so dito na kami sa sa Main Street downtown ng Galena. Wait, maraming may kotse. So hindi na kami natuloy dun sa falls kasi may permit na kailangan pa pala bago pumasok dun sa falls. Eh, ang layo na ng pinunta namin, hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta. So, dito na kami sa ano, dumiretso na kami dito sa downtown. So, yun. Doon kami pupunta pag city tour. Later. And doon na kami sa Galena Trolley Tours. Nice. Pasok tayo dito. On. Tara. Mga souvenirs. Stuff. I love. Bili tayo ng coffee dito sa Corner Churro Cafe. Check it out. Oops. Munson Churros. Hi. Can I get a cold brew?
Yeah. What size would you like?
Large, please.
Would you like any room for cream?
No, just black. And can I try some churros?
Yeah.
Alright, ready na daw yung bus namin. Got my churros and coffee.
We had a recession come and hit town.
Hello?
Then from those
What
mid-1890s to about the mid-1960s,
What?
Galena turned into what we could call just a normal town. But it was in the 1960s. That's when we started some of the historic preservation programs. We got our historic district registered in 1969. So what's been done now the last 20 to 30 years. Behind that greater Chicagoland region, and Galena Tourism claims that well over $1 million. It is on this side. The other side would have extended
Dito na kami sa city tour.
Give us about 300 plus feet. We mainly just use the river now.
Very interesting kasi ang daming full of history itong place ng Galena. Very historical
It
place.
was originally called the Fever River. That was up until the 1850s.
Ito mga bata.
Probably not.
Enjoyed it.
They changed it over to the Galena River.
River.
Referred to it as the Fever River.
Hello. Hello. Shake. Hi. Hey guys. So punta kami ngayon sa mini golf. Mag mini golf kami dito rin sa loob ng resort. So halos dito lang din sa harap nung front desk sa may lobby. So punta kami doon. Doon kami. Ayan. Hindi to free, may bayad siya, pero hindi naman ganoon kamahal. I think parang $9 ba? Well, magkano isang tao nito? $5 pala.
Mama, here.
So, ayun. Tara, laro tayo ng mini golf. Kahit hindi marunong. Parang enjoy din eh. Ayan o. Time to play golf. Mama, go.
Ayoko.
Ito, may mga libreng gamit for ito baby, sa ito, small. Yan, tara. Tayo. Okay. Ayun o.
My turn.
Okay. Ayan.
I'm going to take mine.
Oh, good job, lab. Ayan, dito na kami sa sa restaurant. Dun sa loob lang din ng ng resort. Hey baby. Hindi na kami magdi-dinner. Hi guys. Ang ganda ng view dito. Kita mo yung sa labas. Nice. Solo namin. Kasi Tuesday, walang masyadong tao. So, dala namin yung food and then damo na. Ayan, ito na yung pagkain. Yeah.
Cheers.
Ganda talaga yung overlooking view dito. Yeah. Alright. Yay. Tayo ng konting drinks. At ang ganda nung view dito sa may deck. Tara Tara love, push natin. Open nyo. You know, ganda.
This is family.
Ganda ng overlooking, oh. Ha? Oh.
Dito picture tayo dito.
Ganda, oh.
Ganda dito mo.
Ganda guys, sobrang ganda nung ano. Saan dito? Yan.
Nakanwari si Don Pakundo.
Doon Pakundo. Teka lang, ganyan, oh. Ganda, oh. Ganda. Ito. Hi guys, say hi. Hi to the vlog. Solo namin, walang tao. Ay, may nagpupupo pa. Solo namin, ang ganda dito. Nice. Hey guys, so ito yung day 3 namin. Time to go home. Time to go back. Nakapag almost ano na rin kami, ready. So mamimiss namin tong place. Ganda talaga. Sayang lang pero ano, under maintenance yung swimming pool kaya medyo sad si Achi kasi hindi siya naka-swim. Sayang. Next time ulit. Okay, bye. Okay, bye guys.